Hi everyone, today in this video I'll be talking about the symbiotic origin of eukaryotic evolution, how the eukaryotes developed or originated with the help of symbiotic theory. One thing that is, there will be always a symbiosis or a fusion between one bacteria and one archaean. Remember that. There is an archaean with archaean DNA plus there is a bacteria. Okay. I'm very bad in drawing, sorry. Now, the first step is fusion between the bacterial cell and the archaean cell, which will give rise, this is archaea, this is bacteria, which will give rise a fused cell with the bacterial chromosome and archaeal chromosome. Okay, this is a fused cell after fusion, after the symbiosis. In the second thing, or in the second step, genes involved in metabolism and lipid biosynthesis will be lost from archaea, and genes for transcription and translation, means RNA protein synthesis, will be lost from bacteria. So first thing, the two different cells will be fused, and after that will give rise a fused cell, and in that case some genes from bacteria, few genes from archaea, that will be lost. And after that, this lost steps occur, then third one is endosymbiosis that will happen. How? Again, in the fused cell, there will be a bacterium that will be engulfed or entered into this cell. Now that will give rise, there is already archaean chromosome. This is one is archaean chromosome. Okay, and due to the engulfment or endosymbiosis of a new bacteria, that will give rise a mitochondria. Okay, that will give rise a mitochondria with the bacterial chromosome. So this is the theory. That will give rise a mitochondria and other endomembranes, all the membranes that will help to give rise Golgi body, okay, endoplasmic reticulum, etc. So after that, there is second endosymbiosis again occur. The fourth step is second endosymbiosis occurs, in which a cyanobacteria, this is totally a optional case, okay. If a cyanobacteria that will enter or engulfed by this cell, fused cell, that will give rise a new cell in which there is a mitochondria already there is a chloroplast, there is a mitochondria, and there is a nucleus filled with archaean cell. So that is the eukaryotic cell originated in this way with the help of symbiotic relationship. Symbiosis means there is a fusion between bacteria and archaea. So that is why it is a symbiotic relationship. Okay. So from that cell, which contains chloroplast, mitochondria, nucleus, Golgi body, and something like that, that obviously gives rise to plants, because we know that plants need the chloroplast, the chlorophyll, okay, and also some algae and plants will give rise from this cyanobacteria engulfed cell. And if cyanobacteria is not engulfed into this cell also give rise some eukaryotes like animals, like us, fungi, protists, because we don't need chloroplast, we don't need chlorophyll. So two types of eukaryotic cells that can be produced depending upon the last endosymbiosis step, which is the engulfment of the cyanobacteria. So this is all about the symbiotic model of eukaryotes, how they will be originated by the fusion. Always remember that fusion of a bacteria and an archaea. Okay. In the next video, I'll be talking about the endosymbiotic origin. This is a symbiotic origin. So another one is endosymbiotic origin, second model for the eukaryotic development. Stay tuned. Thank you so much. If you like, please subscribe my channel.